Yancy,
Hi, sir.
hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Okay, I am very fine. And now, ready?
Yeah.
So we should start, right?
Yes. Yeah, because of the call.
So this is your homework. Now I should tell you I should ask you one question first of all. How do you feel this degree?
It's very easy for me to do this homework.
So when you have made these many sentences, have you made these sentences yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, and you have found them easy, right?
Yes.
It is as tall as her father. Very nice. If his father is not taller than she is. Very nice. This flower is as beautiful as her. Actually, this flower is as beautiful as we should write here C, but her is also possible. But
Oh, okay, okay.
she is not more beautiful than this flower. Very nice.
Mm.
Sia is as intelligent as his brother. His brother is not more intelligent than Sia. This face is so pretty as a pink dress. Pink dress is prettier than this page. So you should not repeat same word, and you should put here the pronoun one.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
So here a pink one. See, actually you should write here the. Otherwise you cannot read here. Write here the here.
Yeah. Oh,
The pink dress. In case of this pronoun, we are putting the. Sorry, dress. So at this place, this one we would write this one. Neha is as good as her mother. Neha's mother is not more.
I don't know what to put there. I was like,
Actually, more plus good is called better.
okay, better than she is. Okay.
Neha's mother is not better than she is. Clear?
Okay.
Whose is whose car is? Oh, sorry. Whose is car? Right.
Yeah.
Whose car is as expensive as Khushi's car? Khushi's car is not more expensive than Khushi's car. Right. Very nice. Nia is as small as her twin sister. Nia's twin sister. You should write here sister because we are talking about her twin sister, right?
Yeah.
So Nia's twin sister is not smaller than she is. Yeah, very nice. It we or you should write here Nia itself. It is, but whatever it was, it is correct. Itvi is as smart as her cousin. Itvi's cousin is not smarter than she is. Ria is as funny as Rohan. Rohan is not funnier than Ria. Ram is helpful. Okay, okay. Nancy is as happy as her friend. Friend is not happier than she is. Very nice. So when you change the degree, when you convert the degree from one form to another form, you would have found that the meaning is unchanged and the tone is getting changed, right?
Yeah.
Nancy's friend is not happier than she is. Deepika is as famous as Priyanka. Very nice. Okay, now comparative degree. Yeah, very nice. Her her run is slower than mine. Oh, her running.
Yeah. Sorry.
Here,
Yeah.
her
My bad.
speaking, her running, her reading, her reading slower than mine. Prithvi is taller than me. Me is okay, but here we should put here I am. This wall,
Okay.
this wall color is more beautiful than the orange wall. See, actually, wall should not be repeated. First one.
Yeah.
And the second point is what this wall color you cannot write here like this. You should write here like this. See, I am writing the color of this wall. Have you got?
Yes.
So in case of this wall color, you should put here the color of this wall. Yeah, it's okay that COLOR in American style, COLOUR in England style. It's okay, right?
Oh, yeah.
This color of this wall, the color of this wall is more beautiful than the orange one.
Okay.
Now you are not putting here wall, but you are putting here color because you are talking about color only,
Yeah.
right? Color to color,
Yeah.
color to color uh, comparison is there. New York is bigger than Bel Air. Yeah, okay. But you're not converted to sentence. Yeah, okay. I have less water than she has. Good. And faster than my friend. Or you can
Am I
write here,
supposed?
my friend does.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Am I
because,
supposed to convert this as well?
oh no, no. Yeah, it's okay. But because, see, actually you have converted these many sentences. So I come to know that you are okay with this.
Okay.
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 Homework is not must, but the see, actually the skill is must and you have developed your skill in this. For example, see, tell me the conversion of this sentence.
I went faster than my friend does in positive.
This is a
This is
positive or competitive.
this is competitive.
Then put it in positive.
Uh, m- my run is
My friend,
as my friend's run is as fast as mine.
no.
Then
See, actually, this is a positive sentence. So you should first of all you should make it negative, as well as you should interchange the subject.
yes. So
Uh,
my friend
yes.
run.
Oh, make it negative. First tense.
My friend not.
Oh God, you have forgotten.
No. My
My
friend.
friend,
Oh, I put does okay. Does not run
yeah,
fast as
so fast
I run.
I do. See here with my friend, we have put here does, right? This is a model,
Yeah.
and this is a model, and this is working. This is playing a role of run.
Mhm.
So in place of runs, we have put here does.
Does.
In the same way, when you put here my friend, then you should write here does not run. And for I, we have to put here model do.
Do. Yeah.
Have you got it?
Yes.
So can you convert this sentence?
Katie sleeps more than Nancy. Okay.
Hmm.
Nancy does not sleep as much as Katie does.
Very nice. Clear?
Yes.
See, so now one more thing. I'm going to give you the same homework. What you have made completed sentences, you should convert them all sentences. You convert them
Okay.
into the other degree.
Into positive. Okay.
If it is competitive, then positive, positive, then competitive. Now superlative to comparative. It is the tallest girl in her class. Very nice. It is taller than any other girl in the class. Chocolate is the best cake I have ever had. It's better than any other cake I have ever. Very nice. Bhagavad Gita is the longest book that I have ever read. Bhagavad Gita is than any other, longer than any other book.
Yeah.
You can write here book or
Yeah.
you should write here any other book. Okay.
Yeah. Mhm.
Her second doing was best out of all. Second doing was better than any other doing. Okay. So now one more homework is that you have converted superlative to competitive. Now competitive is there. Now you will put here positive too for
I
this
have
one.
converted superlative to positive as well. If you scroll down.
Yeah. The same sentences.
Yes. There you go.
Okay. It is the okay. No other girl is as tall as a in our class. Okay. Second doing was good. No other doing was as good as her. second thing. So not one with example in degree. First one is what? When S3 is negative, then what to do? See, actually, what happens in general mode in communication, we never use, we hardly use this structure. We hardly use the superlative degree in negative mode, right? We can say Nancy is the thinnest girl in the class. You cannot say Nancy is not the thinnest girl in the class. It is not required to say like this. Do you get me?
Yes.
Yeah. See, actually, for example, we should not say uh, like this that degree is the easiest topic in English grammar. The degree is not the easiest topic in the English grammar. It is not required. It's not right.
Yeah.
When Ithvi is the tallest girl, but if she is not the tallest, then which we it is not required for us to speak like Ithvi is not the tallest girl in the class.
Yeah.
But again, if it is in negative mode, then how to convert them? Yeah, we are going to see some examples. For example, tension is not the greatest of all poets. Tension सब poets में सबसे महान नहीं था. Clear?
Yeah.
Tennyson is not the greatest of all poets, so there is no rule for converting this sentence into comparative or positive degree. See, keep this thing in your mind. There is no rule for converting them into negative or comparison or comparative degree or positive. So what to do? First of all, by logic or by communication system, by language, by linguistic method, we are going to understand first, and in the same way we will do the other two. Clear? So speak with me. Tennyson is not the greatest of all poets.
He's not the greatest of all poets.
Have you got the meaning of this sentence?
Yeah.
So this is the PD, positive degree. Some, actually we were writing here very few. Clear? In place of this
Yeah.
very few, we are putting here some. In place of no other poet, we are putting here some. But here no other is not required because actually poets is in plural form. So we would put here very few if we would.
Mhm.
But right now it is in negative mode. So we must put here some. Some poets are at least, this is the one more thing, at least as great as Tennyson. Tennyson, and if we are focusing on the adjective of great, then some are again great as Tennyson. So Tennyson, so some poets are okay. Some poets are at least as great as Tennyson. यानी कि Tennyson जितने तो great है ही कम से कम.
Yeah. Yeah.
Some poets are at least as great as Tennyson. And if you put it in comparative mode, then Tennyson is not greater than some other. So here you should concentrate here on someone.
Okay.
At this place we were doing if not is not there here. Think that not is not there, then it is the positive sentence.
Yeah.
When you write here Tennyson is the greatest of all poets, here PD you would make it like this. Very few poets are as great as Tennyson. You would write this. And in CD, comparative degree, what would you write? Tennyson is greater than all other poets. Am I right?
Yeah.
In place of that all, we have put here some. And in place of these very few, we have put some. But with some, at least word is important. Simple. So can you take the note of it? Because I am going to give you the other sentence. So you should write it in your notebook. First of all, do one thing like this. Not one. If SD superlative degree is negative, then do this way. Okay, do it like this is your heading. Have you done it?
Yeah.
Now this is your sentence. Write it. Underline this word not. Have you done? Hello?
Yes, I've done that.
Okay. Now, if you put it in, you convert it in PD, it means positive degree, then what would you write? You would write very few poets, right? In place
Yeah.
that very few, put some poets
Alright.
are at least as great as Tanishan.
Okay. Use as great as answer.
Okay.
Yes.
Now compare the degree. Then if it is in positive degree, then you would write Tanishan is greater than all other poets. Am I right?
Yeah.
Now here you would put there some in place of all. So your sentence is ready. Tennyson is not greater than some other poets because some is present here, not is present here. Write this one. And this is the second structure which you can say in place of this CD. In the same
Okay.
way as you have already made in PD construction, you can write the same thing in CD construction also. Some poets are, then not and less great than tension. But you cannot write here greater
Yeah.
because less is there, right?
Yes.
So write this also in place of actually in addition to this one series.
I will done.
Okay. Now I'm going to give you one example as exercise, right, for you. See, actually, this was asked in one exam, and the question was some poets are at least as great as Tennessee. Now, this sentence has started with some, and at least is present, and the construction is as great as it means positive sentence is there, right? Positive degree, okay? Positive degree, but at least is present and some is present. So, its superlative degree would be in negative mode. Am I right?
Yes.
Here, Tennyson is greater than some poets. Tennyson is the greatest of all poets. Tennyson is one of the greatest poets, and Tennyson is not the greatest of all poets. The answer was this, right? The rest are all wrong.
Yeah.
Now this is the test for you. The last sentence for the week. Do it fast. All the best. Take the answers out. Fatafat.
Okay. I said some animals are at least as big as rat
Hmm.
in positive.
Some animals are at least as big as rat. Clear?
Yes.
Then
And I said the rat is not bigger than some animals.
other animals.
Yeah, some other animals.
Okay. Then otherwise,
Then I didn't write the last one. Only
you're not
one.
you're not written.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, do you have that book which I have already sent you?
Yeah, it's in the phone. Yeah.
Okay, first of all, we should see this notes and then we'll do it. So, second note, okay, read this sentence.
Return,
Ram is
uh,
blank than prudent. Clear?
yes.
Prudent is it means who can understand it properly.
Okay.
The same question have been asked has been asked few times.
Makes sense.
See, actually here Ram is not getting compared with any other person.
Mhm.
You should keep one thing in your mind. Ram is the subject of is. Clear?
Yes.
And this subject is not getting compared with other subject, but the specialty of Ram. It means the adjective of Ram is getting compared with the another adjective.
Yeah.
So adjective with adjective. adjective with adjective. The comparison is in between two adjectives only.
Yes.
At that time, you would not use this construction er. You would not use this construction. You must
Okay.
use this construction only. More adjective than.
Then okay.
So now which would be your answer? Not
It's
as
not-
brave, because then is present.
Yes.
So then is this word then mentions that this is a comparative degree. So as brave is cancelled,
Yeah.
and we have already talked that braver is not possible.
Yes. So as T.
Braver is also not possible, and that's why B is the answer.
Yes.
Clear?
Yeah.
So read this note.
If comparison is between two person, braver is answer
Answer.
and
Clear?
yes.
But here person is not getting compared with the another person. But
Yeah.
what happens here? Us. Read it
If
loud.
if the same is between two adjectives,
Same it means
or
what? Comparison.
comparison.
Yeah. Read it again.
And if the same is between two adjectives of same person, more brave is the answer.
Clear?
Yes.
Now note number 3.
Okay.
Read it aloud. More. See, I should explain you.
Okay.
More and most plus adjective. If this adjective is not there, then more and
Okay.
most the same words will be playing the role of adjective themselves. But
Oh,
yeah, but this sentence actually I have seen you have converted this type of sentences yourself, and the answers were very correct, and that's why I did not mention during the session was going on.
oh.
Right? You were correct at that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here, I
Yes.
have. Stick with me. I have
I have
as many seats as you have,
as many seats as you have.
but have is here is playing the role of simple present tense. So we would not repeat have last time. So we would speak do. So again,
Do.
take it out.
I have as many seats as you do.
Clear?
Yes.
Now convert it.
Into comparison.
Of course, because
Uh,
there is a third degree is not possible. 1 to 1 is there.
you have
You do
more.
not have.
You do not have more seats
Yeah.
than I do.
So see here, more plus adjective is not there. It is absent.
Yes.
More plus noun is there.
Hmm.
And noun is not the word on which we are comparing the same thing. Because see, noun is noun, but right now adjective is absent. So that's why more is playing the role of adjective. Yeah.
Yes.
BJP has, yeah, you have done this sentence. BJP has more seats than Shiv Sena in Maharashtra.
Hmm.
Now, can you tell me the positive degree of this?
So it's going to be BJP have more seats. No, BJP has
Oh
as
God.
many seats.
You should start the sentence with the second subject.
Oh yeah. Okay. Shiv Sena in Maharashtra have as many seats as BJP does.
But you have done some mistake here. You have not made it negative.
Oh my, I always forget to make it negative. Yeah, not.
So I should mention, my friend, I should tell you that when I gave you the same sentence before during the session, you converted it very correct. Right now you are doing mistake. I don't know why. Okay,
Oh,
do it again.
okay. Shiv Sena in Maharashtra does not have
Yeah,
as many seats
so many
as
seats.
so many seats as BJP does.
Very nice, very nice, very nice. Clear? So here,
Yes.
what happens here? Seats is the noun form, and after more, there is no adjective. Directly then is there.
Yeah.
And that's why more is playing the role of adjective, and that's why it is getting converted into many or much. Otherwise, we would not convert it the more. We are not converting it as many, right?
Yeah.
But here more is getting converted into many. Why? Because now noun is there, adjective is not there. Have you got it?
Yes.
Now we are coming at
Report.
note number 4.
Okay.
You should remember then in these phrases, don't put then, put to only. Whether they are looking as competitive. Stick with me. Elder to,
Elder to,
major to,
major to, minor to, preferable to, injurious to, exterior to, interior to, inferior to, senior to, junior to, superior to, and prior to.
you are not superior to your father. We would not put here then.
Okay.
Even though you are very intelligent and you become pilot, you would not be or you are not superior then correct, incorrect. Superior
Okay.
to then correct,
Oh, okay.
right? You are not superior to your father. Clear?
Yes.
Or we can say Nancy is elder then incorrect.
Elder
Nancy
to.
is Nancy is elder to then correct. Nancy is
Okay.
elder to
Hush.
push. Clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Tea should be preferable to coffee,
Yes.
but you don't take coffee. Yeah, tea.
No. Yeah.
Tea should be preferable to coffee.
Yes.
This is my opinion. But you would suggest me uh, coffee.
Yeah.
Do you take coffee?
Not every day, but sometimes yes.
Okay. So milk. Do you take? Oh, okay. Mango juice.
Yeah.
So fruit juice is preferable to any other snacks in the morning.
Yeah.
And you would have seen on cigarette box, if you have seen till today, if you have seen, possible that you would not have seen a cigarette box.
I
Have you seen cigarette box?
injurious. I yes, I have.
You would have seen the sentence, it is injurious to health.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Very nice, very nice. So should I leave this point?
Yeah.
You should take the screenshot of this thing. And not number 5. One more thing is there. Here we would see that what is the difference in lace and leisure.
Yes, and lesser. Okay.
You would have seen these two words.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we are going to learn that. See, actually, we would learn next. The This one is, you should remember that what is the difference between next and nearest,
Okay.
and then we would learn that lesson later. Okay.
Okay.
So, what is the difference between next and nearest? Can you tell me?
Uh, maybe someone is sitting next to me. I would say he is sitting next to me. But if someone asked me where is the shop, I would say it's nearby my house.
Yeah.
So it's like I'm not standing close to that
See,
thing or a person. I don't
see.
know.
This is Nancy's house. This
Okay.
is Happy's house.
Okay.
This is somebody's house. This is more somebody's house, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. They all are. They all are living nearby you.
Yeah.
but Hetvi's house is the nearest one.
Mhm.
So this Pintu's house is also nearest one, right?
Yeah.
So this house is nearby, but this house is nearest one.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you compare this Hetvi's house and this Pintu's house, then Hetvi's house is next to you,
Okay.
and this one is nearest.
Yes.
So nearest suggests us in periphery. Do you know the meaning of periphery?
Periphery? No.
No. Oh, area.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
And next is suggesting us the right side one.
Okay.
Ah, I think you would have got this the meaning properly. And now these are two examples, so you'll get it properly. Where is the nearest stationery shop? I am standing here and I am asking to this person, where is the nearest stationery shop? So he can suggest me here, 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 right? But I am asking him to suggest me the nearest one,
Oh,
not that one, because this is
yeah.
farther.
Part. Yeah.
And Chetan sir lives next to Nancy's house.
Yes.
Clear?
Yeah.
Actually, you were aware of this thing.
Yeah.
But again, I have explained you because see, it was must.
Mhm.
Not number six. Not number six is what? Elder and eldest should be used in only for the family members only, for the same family members.
Okay.
But the same meaning, but you can use older and oldest for the rest one, for the other.
Okay.
And elder and eldest should be used for the family members. It means for people
Okay.
who live in the same family.
Makes sense.
But older and oldest can be used for people as well as animals as well as things.
Okay.
My scooter is older than me. Older to me, sorry.
Yeah.
My scooter is, see, sorry, after elder we would put two. After older we would put then.
Okay.
So my scooter is older than me.
Hmm.
And my brother is elder to me.
Yes.
Have you got?
Yeah.
Ah. Can you make one more sentence with this oldest and eldest?
Uh, I'm older than Hekri,
You are older than Hetty, right?
and my mom is older than me.
Elder two.
Elder to me. Sorry.
Yeah, my mom is elder to me. But you should say, I am elder to Kush.
Yeah. I'm elder to Kush.
Clear?
Yes.
You should say, my mom is younger to my father.
Yeah.
Or my father is elder to my mom.
Mhm. Yes.
Read it aloud.
I think your brother is elder to you.
Right?
Yes. I think your bike is older than mine.
So should I go ahead?
Yes. Yeah.
Arey yaar. Okay, 1 minute. So now we should go ahead, right?
Yeah.
Now what I had told you, what is the difference between lace and leisure? This is our
Yeah.
next. This is our next knot. Knot number 7. Lesser and leash. So after leisure, you cannot put then. Keep this thing in your mind.
Okay.
Leisure is not used in competitive degree. Clear?
Okay.
Because
Okay.
because see, many and more. These two words are getting converted into CD, then they give us leash.
Yeah.
Many and much. Huh?
Yeah.
Let me write again. Many and much. they give us more or less.
Mm-hmm.
If it is more, then more. If it is less, then less. And most and the least. Clear?
Yeah.
But lesser cannot be used in degree. For example, read it aloud.
She has less money than her sister does.
So this is a comparative degree, you can see.
Yeah.
So less has been used here. But
Mm-hmm.
if I don't compare it with anybody or anything, then I would use lesser here.
Okay. Has lesser money.
She has lesser money. Clear?
Yeah.
She has lesser money, so she cannot buy a car. Now we are not saying like somebody is not buying a car, and we are not comparing that lady with that other one.
Hmm.
Only we are telling and we are informing that she has lesser money, so she cannot buy a car. Clear?
Yeah.
Or you should speak this one also.
We were all disappointed to greater or lesser degree.
So here greater or here lesser are not being used. These two words are not being used as suggesting us any degree.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are the measurements only. Clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Next, note number 8.
Okay.
If in superlative degree also, if we are not comparing that with anybody or anything, then you should not put the before the superlative construction. Like
Okay.
he delivered a most impressive speech, because we are not comparing with any class.
Yeah.
Any class is not there. Anything is not there with which we are comparing this he. So you cannot put here the, because degree is not there. He delivered a most impressive speech. Simple.
Yeah.
But if here he delivered blank most impressive speech among his friends, then you should put here the.
Put them more. Okay.
He is a most favorite friend of mine. I have not suggested you
Mhm.
that all of my friends.
Yeah.
I have not given any class of my friends. Clear?
Yes.
He is the most. I am using her the.
Yeah.
He is the most favorite friend of all my friends.
Yeah.
But I am suggesting that one, that I am not comparing with any friends. I am only giving you the information for this friend.
Yeah.
So at that time you cannot put here the. Clear?
Yes.
Not number 9.
Okay.
You should keep this type of sentences also
Okay.
in your mind. This is the most beautiful diamond that I have ever seen. But I have
Hmm.
seen your homework today only, and you have already made this type of sentences. So
Oh,
this is
yeah.
not the topic of worry here.
Okay.
So here the topic,
Thank
the
you.
degree is getting completed. Now you should open the book which I have already sent you at page number 140, 140, 139,
Okay.
140.
Okay. One.
Have you gone through the degree session in our book?
I have gone through. Yeah, I have.
Okay. Then open the book at page number 139.
One sounds pretty.
So we are taking the chapter of double degree. In double degree, both side comparison is there. Double
Yes.
degree, the chapter double degree is not concerned with degree. It is not having relationship, any type of relationship with degree. Clear?
Yes.
In degree, in the chapter of degree, in comparative mode, we don't put the article the.
Okay.
For example, we don't put the cleverer or the more intelligent. It is improper while we are talking in degree. But while we are talking in double degree, the plus comparative form is must. Both sides. Both sides.
Okay.
The higher, the high and higher. Okay, higher
Yes.
is the competitive form of high. The higher
Yes.
you go, the thinner air you get. The thinner, clear, competitive.
Yes.
The
Yeah.
higher you go, the thinner air you get. The more you study, the more you get.
Right.
The more somebody wonders, the more uh, he will become intelligent. The more
Yes.
intelligent he would become.
Yes.
The more time you waste, the more
Mm-hmm.
uh, the more you lose.
Yeah.
The more you read, the more knowledge you acquire.
Yes.
So this is called double degree. On both sides, the same thing, the plus competitive form, the plus competitive form, and you can do it. See, the more price of petrol is,
Yes.
the less use
Yes. People use.
people, the less people use,
Yeah.
or the less it is used.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes. Yeah.
The higher you go, the lesser, the less weight you feel.
Yeah. Yes.
The more rain we get, the less worry we have.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
So can you give me 2 to 3 sentences like this?
Uh, yeah. I can say the more we study,
Hmm?
the
The
more
more
we
we study,
become, the more we become intelligent.
yeah, the more information we get.
Yes.
The more we study, the more information we get.
We get.
Okay, so I am going to share one file with you. Wait for a minute only. Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So the chapter double degree is running. The more, the better. The more, the less. The less, the more. The less, the less. This is called double
Mhm.
degree. Clear?
Yes.
Read it aloud.
Double degree comparative
Degree,
are,
or we can say comparative. So double degree or double comparison.
are the sentence or phrases which are used in English to show whether some activity should be done or not on the basis of comparison of the activity to its increasing or decreasing return slash result.
Right, right?
Yes.
For example, somebody is wasting his time in mobile.
Mm-hmm.
So our guest come, or our papa or mummy suggest that person. The
Yeah.
more the more you use mobile, the less brilliant you become.
Yeah.
You got it?
So true. Yes.
So here I have used which are used in English to show whether some activity should be done or not. Here I have given you an example also. On the basis
Yeah.
of comparison of activity. For example, he is using mobile, so I have this is the activity which should not be done.
Done.
And why it should not be done? Because see, comparison of the activity, I have compared it with its increasing or decreasing return or result. That the
Yes.
more you use your mobile, the less intelligent you become.
Yeah.
It means the result is wrong. The result is in decreasing. So you should not use your mobile. This you should not do this activity.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. And the construction is what? The plus competitive form plus whatever the sentence is, the plus competitive form again with the another sentence. And what is sentence? Sentence is syntax. Subject plus, say for example, subject plus verb. You can put
Okay.
your noun, or you
Mhm.
cannot put your noun. It depends on the situation.
Yeah.
Yeah. The more you use your mobile, the less you become intelligent. Clear?
Yeah.
The less intelligent you become, then also it will do. So
Yeah.
is it difficult?
No.
No, simple. More, less, fewer, bigger, costlier, smaller. Like this we can use here on both sides. Clear?
Yes.
Notes. Here both sides we must put the article the. Clear?
Yeah.
And after this article, the comparative form must be following to that.
Hmm.
The more experienced the doctor is, the more reliable he is. Right or wrong?
Yes. Right.
The more experienced the doctor is, then result will be. See, right now we are comparing on the basis of experience.
Yeah.
So the more experienced the doctor is, the more reliable he is.
Yeah.
You can say the less experienced the doctor is, the less reliable he is.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
But also you can say the more experienced the doctor is, the costlier he is.
Yeah, that's also true.
Second, you should read it aloud.
The pure, water
Pure,
is.
not pure, purer.
Oh yeah, purer the water is, the less harmful it is.
So you can say greater than lesser. This type of degree is there here. The purer, it means in increasing order, purer the water is, decreasing order, the harmful it is, the less harmful it is. Clear?
Yeah.
Jitna, clear?
Yeah.
Speak it loud.
He thinks the costlier the thing is, the better it is.
He thinks the costlier thing is, the better it is.
Hmm.
See, actually, what happens? The people have got materialized, right?
Yeah.
And their attitude is what? If the thing is costlier, then it would definitely be better. So our opinion is this, that if the thing is very costlier, it means costlier, then we feel
Mm-hmm.
that it would be better.
Yeah.
But it is not the right thing everywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, generally it is right, but it is not right every time.
Yeah.
I have seen that many companies, what do you know, they do that the thing is, and if they print it, then the 100 rupees price is, they give the MRP of 1,000 rupees.
Wow.
Only they print the thing and they get the MRP is getting changed.
That's a lot of money.
Yeah, and I have seen it. I have visualized it myself with my eyes.
Oh man.
He thinks the costlier thing is the better. It is last last one.
The more you study, the more you become confident.
Here,
Mm-hmm.
do you know the difference between this confident and this confident?
No.
This confident is the person who is having confidence.
Okay.
And if here it is A, then this confident is the person on whom we have confidence.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay. Yes.
If the person is there and we have confidence on him, then we would say confident.
Okay.
And if the person himself is having confidence, then it is called confident. DE.
Okay.
Okay, so do you want to have 2 to 3 more examples?
Sure.
But we would go hurriedly, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, speak it aloud.
The less you worry about the others, the less they will bother you.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you worry about the others more, they would bother you more.
Yeah.
But I have spoken the incorrect sentence if we speak about the double degree.
Yeah.
You worry about the others worry more, and it is incorrect while we are talking about grammar.
Double. Okay.
We must say the more you worry about the others, the
Others.
more they bother you.
Thank you. Yeah. The blank you work hard. The blank already was said. Uh, the more you work
More is
hard,
there, more is there, more is there. The more you work hard,
better result you get.
the better. Which one
Like
better? This better or
this
this
one.
better?
The first one.
Clear?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Last one, huh?
Fill, fill in the blank. Uh. Okay. The more, the merrier. Yeah.
Okay, so now it's okay.
Yeah.
Now it's your turn. We have 2 to 3 minutes more.
Okay. I could do the card.
Look at.
Yes.
Let me have water and I get ready for listening you. Should I show you the clue card?
I don't need it, but yeah, I just have it. I'm like political.
Yeah.
Okay, should I start again?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, in the first one, well, in the present scenario, there are many leaders have connected in political parties. I know about some political leaders such as Narendra Modi, Joe Biden, Donald Trump, Jessica Ardern, and so on. But here I would like to talk about my favorite political leader, Barack Obama. His full name is Barack Hussein Obama. He's born on August 4, 1961. He had election of president of the United States 2 times. If I talk about his political career, then he is an American attorney and politician who served as the 44th president of the United States from 2009 to 2017. Uh, why do I like him? First of all, he's a sweetheart man. Also, he is down to earth person and respects everyone, whether that person is rich or his unique quality. Are unique quality memorized me most. In addition to it, during his presidency, America he had run some campaigns for those person who face racial discrimination in foreign countries. Encourage poor people to live a healthy, good life. He is great motivation for young ones, and also is very hardworking person who gained the position of president of the United States is on hard work as intelligent thoughts. What is his or her influence on me? Mr. Obama had influenced me in many ways. He encouraged to work hard to get get to your aim and be kind and nice to everyone and also treat everyone equally. That's it.
Very nice. Very nice. I should clap for you, my friend. I should
Yeah.
clap for
Thank you.
So have you written it yourself, right?
Yeah.
Very nice. You have been drafted. Good writer.
Thank you.
In the same way you can go ahead.
Yeah.
While you write and whatever you have learned in grammar, if you use them correctly, try to
Yeah.
use, then you'd bother, you'd wonder, oh God, your language has got correct.
Yeah.
You'd be able to draft anything. Your thoughts would get released on the paper. You would be able to publish your thoughts on paper
Mm.
very effectively.
Yeah.
They would be able to influence the people,
Mhm.
and that would be called singing strike.
Yeah.
Yeah, we must have better communication. Actually,
Yeah.
if you see my drafting, You see, actually, you are seeing these all the
Yeah.
things I have written myself.
Yeah.
You are looking at the book, right? You are going through it now.
Yes.
This was my ninth book,
Wow.
and after that, I have written more two books.
Oh.
I have made one a, one thesis of English speaking book.
Uh-huh.
We cannot say thesis, but it is like thesis.
Oh.
It is having more than 500 pages, and if someone goes through it, then definitely he or she would learn how to speak it and how to manage all the sentences in English
Yeah.
language if he is beginner at English. So if see, actually I am confident and I have trust on myself that if I write a letter, then it would definitely influence the people. Because do you know why? Because I am having the mastery of grammar as well as I am having the mastery on drafting too.
Yeah.
Managing the words should be a game for us, and it should not be a hardship for us.
Yeah.
And it can be the game if you use it, if you practice it. And right now you are doing the same thing.
Yeah.
I have actually hurried to get more and more topics in grammar because I want that you draft something, you manage the grammar topics in writing, you compose
Mhm.
all the things, you can understand English. So it is a
Yeah.
positive thing for you.
Yeah.
And I want that I manage you get the good knowledge in grammar as well as to use to apply those topics grammatically correct way in your drafting, and that's why I have hurried to uh, complete almost nearby completion of this grammar.
Mm.
So I want you become a good writer, good communicator. So
Yeah.
I am see actually very lucky. I'm again repeating the same thing. I'm very lucky to have you as my student. You are so intelligent, girl. You have
Thank
revised
you.
the whole thing and you would revise it again. I trust on you.
Yeah.
Okay. And one to two clue cards for you. Degree is go through it. Go through it.
Okay.
Nothing else. Go through it. Degree is the homework for you, but you should repeat them in only speaking. Think over them.
Okay.
Think over them. Think over them. But
Okay.
do two to three clue cards. Clear?
Yes.
Tomorrow we'll see the next chapter at the same time.
Yeah.
We would meet at 8 o'clock at the right
Mhm.
time. Bye.
Yep. Bye.